Hi, everybody. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I was approved as an influencer for Amazon. I have my own storefront now, so I'm so excited about that. And I can't wait to share it with you all. So I've included a link so you guys can check it out. I have health and beauty on there, I have fashion and jewelry, and of course, handbags. This is one of the handbags that I have on my site. So you can check her out. She is a replica for another handbag we know and love. And I will be releasing a video on that tomorrow. But please check out my storefront. If there are any items on there that you're interested in, you have questions about, just reach out to me. I'm here to help in any way I can. And thank you for your support. It means the world to me. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of May. So please click on like and subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so when we release new content, you get that pop up and you can enjoy. Please share this video and all the videos in my collection with your family and friends because that helps to grow the channel. So until next time, thank you for watching and peace.